Какво ти е име?
Име е Мартина.
Kaj pa tebi?
Ясно.
I'm Lauren, I'm from France. I'm a French volunteer in Ladinsky Center in Brežice, and I help Anna in the dance.
And I'm working with Jenny Rostojar, and one day she asked me if I wanted to make dance lessons, and I say why not.
Ми е všeč, ker rada plešem. Ker rada drugim покажем kako plešem. Друго лето, ако плешемо, всяк вторник плешемо по 2 uri.
Communicate with hands and to show with memes, and it's okay. We manage to communicate and to make some progress.
От Gypsy King.
But this is special Gypsy King because it's mixed Spanish and Arabic.
Me, I'm trying with the flamenco, but I'm just trying.
Kaj pa učiteljica vama je všeč?
Мені е учителица všeč.
Kaj pa tebi?
Я ми е všeč.
And they are very good, I think, and I think they like. I'm not sure, but I think yes. Yeah, we will see what's happening. It's in 3 weeks. Yeah. Wow, it's very soon.
It's like beautiful, the rhythm and everything. They are beautiful girls, we are beautiful teachers, and the dance is so beautiful.